Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable or disable gyroscope in Critical Ops. Critical Ops has integrated gyroscope controls to enhance aiming precision, especially on devices with limited screen space. In order to enable or disable gyroscope, first of all, open the Critical Ops application on your mobile device, and from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on controls on the left. Inside controls, scroll through the options and look for the gyroscope settings. To turn on gyroscopes to enable aiming by tilting your device, tap on the box right next to activate gyroscope, and then you can go ahead and adjust your additional gyroscope settings by adjusting these bars over here at the bottom under each option. Adjust the gyro sensitivity slider to your preference from the menu. The sensitivity range has been increased from 200 to 400% in the latest update, providing finer control. After making your adjustments, you can then go ahead and tap on close on the left corner at the bottom left, and that's how you can easily enable gyroscope. If you want to disable the gyroscope, then you can get back to the same menu and scroll to gyroscope and tap on the square box right next to gyroscope and leave it unchecked so that you can disable the gyroscope on your game. So that's how you can easily enable or disable gyroscope in Critical Ops, which allows you to tailor your aiming experience to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.